In this tutorial, we will walk you through the complete process of registering your account, generating a license, and activating your WooCommerce module, whether you purchased it from Envato or directly from the Webkul store. Firstly, let's see how to register your account. When you visit the registration page, you will see two options: register via Envato or register via Webkul store. Choose the option based on where you purchased the module. If you purchased the module from Envato, click the Envato registration option. You will be asked to enter your Envato username and purchase code. After entering your username and purchase code, click Submit. Since Envato does not share the customer's email address with the seller, you must provide your email address manually, so enter your email address. You can update this email once. After the first change, the email will be permanently locked. This is because if you later purchase a module directly from the Webkul store, that purchase will be linked to your store email to ensure both purchases appear under the same account. You can update your Envato email once to match your Webkul store email. After entering your email address, an OTP will be sent to your email address. Enter the OTP and click Login. After successful verification, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From here, you can view your Envato purchases, view your Webkul store orders, generate licenses, and manage domains. All your valid purchases will be listed here. Now, to activate your module, you must first generate a license key. Go to the License section, click on New License, then choose where you purchased the module from. After that, click Next Step, enter your purchase code, and click Next Step again. Here, as you can see, there are two domains: Production Domain and Development Domain. Enter the domain on which you want to activate your license. After entering the domains, click Submit. As you can see, your license has been created. Now, click on View to see the license. Copy the license key to activate the module. Now that you have your license key, which is used to activate the module in WooCommerce, go to your WooCommerce site. Install the module by uploading the zip file in WordPress, then activate the module. Once the installation is successful, go to the Plugin Configuration section in your WordPress admin panel. As you can see the interface, here you need to paste the license key that you generated and click Activate License. Before that, there are two buttons: Generate Key and Create Ticket. By clicking Generate Key, you will be redirected to your dashboard. If you face any issue, you can also create a ticket by filling out this form. Now, let's activate the license. It is validating. As you can see, the license has been activated successfully, and it will redirect you to the module configuration settings. Now let's see registration via the Webkul store. If you purchased the module directly from the Webkul store, go back to the registration page and click Sign up for an account, then choose the Webkul store option. You will be asked to enter your order ID and email address. Enter the email and order ID, then click Verify and send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your email. Enter the OTP to verify your identity. Once verified, your account will be created, or your order will be linked to your existing account. You will then be redirected to the dashboard. Now, click on the Login button. As you can see the dashboard, the license creation process is similar to Envato. For this, go to License and click New License. Select Webkul Store and click Next Step. Enter the order ID. The email will be autofilled because it is already registered with your order ID. After that, click Next Step. After this, your license will be created. You can see all the information related to your order, such as the domain name, support until, created at, and last updated. You can also view the purchase details and customer information. This is the Profile button. By clicking on it, you can enable light theme or dark theme, and you can also view your account details. You can update your email once for an Envato registered account, as mentioned earlier. You can also use the filters for a better experience. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.